All right. So it is. Sorry. Okay. Now let's go to the section 2. Okay, part 2.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, uh, fine. Okay. So these are the words here again. Again, 20 to 25 words are there here. Okay.
Okay.
What is the first one? Read
Debate.
it. Just read it once. Just read it once from top to bottom. Read it.
Okay. Inconclusive debate, empirical approach,
Mhm.
colossal task,
Mhm.
presumably because
Presumably.
immense benefit,
Yep. Please go on.
immense benefits, con- concurrent action,
Mhm.
grave problems,
Mhm.
inordinate delay, subsist- substantial extent,
Mhm.
ad hoc basic till recently,
Mhm.
utmost importance,
Mhm.
lopsided approach,
Mhm.
determin,
Detrimental
detrimental,
approach.
detrimental approach, ancillary recommendation,
Ancillary recommendation.
ancillary recommendation,
Uh,
mammoth effort
mhm.
up till now,
Okay.
exorb, exorbitant price,
Exorbitant price. Exorbitant.
exorbit, exorbitant price, crucial function,
Uh,
profound impact,
uh,
enormously altered,
uh,
serious menace. What is this?
Menace. Serious
Menace.
menace.
Menace. Feudal mindset.
Good. Good. So now, okay, what is inconclusive debate? Always remember one thing: when you are, whenever, whatever you are learning, right? Whatsoever you learn in, right, in your life,
Yes, sir.
whether it is a communication skill, science, right, or your business, or even if you are learning rocket science, the much time you will spend, right, with somebody, the more that person will become your friend. So learning is always like making friendship. Always
Friendship.
use this
Yes, sir.
philosophy. Okay, fine. And then you, once you relate it with that, then you will understand. You can't make somebody friend, right, in a single day, and then he will be your bosom friend. Not like that. You have to really spend some time to find a good friend. Okay. Now, what is
Yes,
inconclusive?
sir. Inconclusive means uh, if if we'll not get the conclusion at the end, means a debate is going on, and at the end of the debate we'll find that there is no conclusion, means there is no result, or we cannot say that this is the outcome of the debate.
Now, let's come to the vocabulary challenges. Okay. Know your enemies. Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Know your enemies. Find them, and then kill one by one. Okay. Fine. So
yes,
first, so when it comes to improve your vocabulary, then you have, you can say that, okay, how to, memorize, how to, like, remember, or how to use these vocab, right? So first of all, know the challenges. You know your enemies. What are your enemies? There are three enemies. Mum, right? Know the meaning of the word, to
yes,
memorize the
sir.
word, and then to use
Yes, sir.
the word.
The word.
Right? So know the meaning. I told you, okay, I told you that the meaning of the first word is completely dependent on the second word,
Second
right?
one.
Is the nature of
Yes,
the
sir.
second word. This is the fact. This is the,
Yes, sir.
so debate. debate are how? Okay, debates are how? Either conclusive or inconclusive, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any third situation?
No, sir.
No. So debate can be either conclusive or inconclusive. Here it is inconclusive, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
So a debate that keeps going on. There is no end of that debate. That is inconclusive debate. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So your meaning is clear. Now the second is memorize. Okay. Now from today onwards, whenever there is whenever your mind retains the word debate, then try to retain either there is conclusion or inconclusive or inconclusive, right?
Yes,
Because
yes, sir.
the adjective form of the conclusion, or right. Uh,
Yes,
Now
sir.
usage. Usage. I told you that do not use the word debate from today onwards. What you will do from whenever you try to use, right? Whenever it comes to use the word debate, then better say that, see, I believe that it is completely inconclusive debate and I don't want to participate in it. Okay, so
Okay.
since it is a conclusive debate, or it seems to be an inconclusive debate, right? So I would like to participate in it. You got it? All the
Yes,
challenges
sir.
are cleared.
Yes, sir.
Now, what was the word? Debate. So there is a word debate. What was the word there?
Either inconclusive or conclusive.
Okay. So you worked out on 3 areas, right? You just spend time on knowing your enemy and then killing one by one, right? Destroying one by one. And then your vocab is already in your mind. You don't need to know the meaning, usage, and then memorize, right?
Yes, sir.
Do the same thing on second word. Empirical approach. So since here, let me tell you that here there are so many kind of approach here. Like empirical approach is there, detrimental approach is there, right? So you will see so many approaches, right? So better you go. I told you that 90% of the your vocab problem, right? Your vocabulary improvement will be with the MUM methodology, right? But
Okay.
few of the like these kind of things, right? And you
Okay.
have to search or you have to find in the Google. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
there is there is fervent effort, there is consistent effort.
Consistent effort.
What is the third one? Fervent effort, consistent effort, and then there is
Conscious effort.
conscious
Conscious effort.
conscious effort. So you'll have to know the meaning, okay, one by
Yes,
one.
sir.
Here now, try to know the meaning of empirical approach. Okay, just find in the Google later on. Okay, just leave it.
Okay.
Now, the word task.
Yes, sir.
Do it here. Just try it. Okay. But
Task.
nobody was there. Okay, fine. Yeah, go on.
Colossal task.
Colossal task. Colossal. How do you say the word?
It's something colossal.
Yeah,
It's something related to heart.
got it. Very simple. Fine. All right. Now, presumably because. Right. So here you'll have to know the meaning of presumably. Right. See,
Okay.
presumably the word is taken from the word presume, presumption, right? Presume means when you try to anticipate something, right? When you try to foresee something in life. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So that is presumably because. So presumably because means when you give your reason, right, by presuming something, then you say presumably because you are anticipating something and then you are giving reason, right? Then so you say like maybe that she has left the class presumably because of the internet issue. Now you saw
Okay.
how I framed the sentence. So when you
Yes,
say,
sir.
okay, I think forget about that. I think she left the college because of the you know low marks she got in her second year. So you are giving some kind of statement here. You don't know the reality, right? Fine, and you are giving your statement like you know everything, right? Like you are the shadow
Yes,
of
sir.
your hair. So don't say because of. If you are giving, if you are assuming something, if you are, there is presumption, right? हिंदी में कहते हैं ना यार guess मार के कुछ बोलना है ना.
Yes, sir.
When you are guessing something, then you don't say because of. You say presumably because.
Because.
Right. That okay. What was the problem here? You the guy was rejected in the interview. Presumably because the boss didn't like his communication skill. You got it?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Use. I do remember one thing. When I was when I was improving my communication skill long back in 2010, I was there in the student of IPMCS, Institute of Personality
Okay.
and Communication Skill, right? Fine. Then I had I had one thing in my mind. Either I will go on first position to deliver my speech on the stage, right, or on the second position, right? Because there were there used to be it was a school, in fact, a communication school, right?
Okay.
There were in the same time there were 10 different batches, and each batch there were 40 to 60 students in a single, just like a school, like just for
Okay.
communication skill, right? So I had one thing, because since I was again very much eager to improve my communication skill, right? So I used to go either on first or on the second. If it is the third, I never go. I never went to deliver the speech or to present my speech and all. Right? Never. Either first or second maximum. So I still remember there I used a knee word. But when I went there, then I used a knee word. And then when I came out of the classroom, then a couple of students, they came and then you said, "Yeah, please tell me the meaning of that word. I don't know the meaning of that word. You say you use that word." So this is how you
Okay.
make it back. When you really use a knee word, right? Then people, they start scratching their head, even if it is your boss, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So although this is not a sales and marketing right class, or else I could have explained you more, right? But this is your boss starts scratching the head. What is the meaning of this? And then by taking time, he will look into the Google. Okay, this is the meaning. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
getting? Fine.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Now immense benefits. Okay, make a sentence from it.
This
Wait. Just make a sentence from here. This one. Presumably because.
presumably because. Okay.
Here, why corona cases are increasing in Delhi?
Corona cases increasing in Delhi, presumably because the people are not following social distancing.
Done. So done. Fine. Now next word.
Yes, sir.
Immense benefits. Fast. Go fast.
Immense benefit. Immense means
Relate.
this was what was also in the first vocab section. Immense pleasure.
Right.
So immense means very much. You can say very much.
So done. Fine. Immense
Too much. Yes. Yes, sir.
benefits. Right. Make a sentence. Yeah, go fast, please. Do and fine. Just go fast.
By taking this class, I am getting immense benefits.
Good. Concrete action.
Concrete means something solid.
Good. So sometimes we say, okay, make a sentence.
Okay. So, I need to take concrete action on the employee.
Good. It's a good example. grave problems.
Grave, you can say, means I think it's a big problem. Or
Yeah, the problem, right? That it takes you to the grave. That is grave problem. No.
yes, got it. It's something related to graveyard. Means
Yeah,
that problem. It's very difficult.
yes, means the problem at very high, high extent, right?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Inordinate delete. Move fast.
Inordinate. You inordinate means you can say that I have the word on the tip of my tongue. Inordinate means जानबूझ के किया हुआ है delay.
God.
You can.
समझ में आना चाहिए बस, and then you use it. Okay.
Yes,
Make
sir.
sense?
I don't want inordinate delay on the project.
Good. Substantial extent. You know the
What is
meaning?
the meaning of substantial means? Extent means
Yeah.
to increase the time period, or to increase something. Extent,
Extent means limit. Okay.
limit. Yeah.
And okay, so this is again one of the exceptional one, as I told you, right? The
Okay.
last 10% one. Okay. So substantial extent. Okay. Substantial means okay. I am struggling, right? Or the employee was struggling to get a job to an substantial extent. Okay. But he was working hard up to a substantial extent. Keep using, then you will be accustomed. Don't try to do not too much. Okay, just pick the word, use it. Okay, pick the word, use it, and then forget. Right?
Okay.
Ad hoc basis.
Ad hoc basis. Because of this thing, something ad hoc basis.
Do one thing. Just go.
Basis means
Give a right click. Give a left click on your right click on your network, and then go. There is open network and sharing center. Then you will say ad hoc connection. So ad hoc connection means ad hoc basis means for the time being basis, right?
okay.
The session will end in 1 minute.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt or anything like that, Praveen?
No, sir.
Right, because the session will end now within 1 minute. Okay. So
Okay, no issue.
fine, no issue, right? Thank you so much, Praveen. All right, and have a
Sure.
beautiful night. All right, enjoy your day.
Sure.
Enjoy your night.
Good night.
All right, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.